Hi students, and welcome to week 4 in your online general psychology course. Week 4 brings us a quarter of the way through class. So time is a-ticking. We are moving right along here, and we find ourselves into February. So this week we are continuing on with our work in chapter 2, which is looking at psychology as a scientific method. So this week you have a writing assignment and then your chapter 2 quiz. So last week you just had connect assignments over this. This week you'll have your quiz. So for this assignment here, I'm going to click on this. And I really want you to watch this video where I fully explain the assignment to you and give you examples and so forth. But just to emphasize some points that I say in that video is one, this is hypothetical, so you're not actually doing the research, okay? Two, I don't expect it to be perfect. You're learning to think like a scientific researcher, thinking like a psychologist. So I really want to see your critical thinking, your original ideas and thoughts, and applying what you've learned from chapter 2. So looking at those research methods, survey, experiment, correlational studies, interviews, what am I missing here? Case studies, choosing which method you want to use and then applying it to your own idea. You're going to create your own hypothesis. So in the video, I really go into detail of explaining this. You really are just answering these 4 questions here. Don't worry about formatting. Write college level, obviously, and always for any class that you're in. But I really, have you focusing on your thought process. You're not necessarily writing a paper here. You're answering questions, not writing a research paper, even though research is in here. We're talking about application research. So check out that video. Reach out to me if you have any questions. Again, for this week, you're doing this assignment right here, your research design, and then your chapter 2 quiz. Have a great week, everybody. Take care.